Hey, thanks for tuning in. We caught all our fish before 9 o'clock this morning. We're officially in the dog days of summer. Fishing's tough as the day goes on. Too many jet skis and wake boats and everything. Stay tuned. I like to make the old long cast across this little. Oh, you get ya? You get him? Oh, 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 Zane, he still wants it. You get him? Jeez, that fish wanted it. Ooh, you need the net?
He just pulled dry.
It's a largemouth, isn't it? That's a good fish.
Where's the pliers?
Oh! No, that's a spot.
I don't want any part of that. Okay, I got you.
Boy, that Zane, that fish wanted it. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Nice fish. Yep. All right. Well, I like how that started. He was way up off that little point. What time? He hit you what? 3 times?
Oh yeah. Dana, I did. And that's the only reason I caught him, because I didn't jerk it.
Who got him? Zane. I heard it. It just sounded different. I didn't feel anything. Not a big one, but
Who cares? Boy, I say.
now these little ones are the ones that'll mess your hand up. They'll get you hooked. What'd you do with those pliers? Just a standard spot.
I should have that.
Oh! Oh, he hit it and I didn't get him. Right up there, shallow. I mean, I'm talking a foot of water. I'm gonna throw it right on the. There is a little bit of a chop. Should be throwing a spook.
It was worse.
Oh! He came out of the water, pulling some drag on me. God, it never gets old. Ooh, that is a good one. All right, calm down. There you go. See, we had to make multiple casts to get that one to bite. Boy, that's a good fish there. That's £1 3/4, approaching 2 pounds. Good fish. Man, I love catching them on the top waters. That fish, I mean, he wanted it. When you got a little chop, you can work this chug bug a lot like you do a spook. You can walk the dog with it.
Hey, look at that bait right there.
Ooh, there's a whole school of them.
Yep.
That gar was right in it.
9 feet of water.
Oh, he hit it and I didn't move it yet. I didn't get him. And that was, Zane, can you believe how shallow that fish was? And I didn't get him. I don't think we're throwing shallow enough. We got to throw right on those trees.
You didn't even move it. Boy, the bait is in.
See bait right on the point. I didn't get it in there far enough. Ooh, someone's gonna get bit along here somewhere. Got him?
God dang.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah, Dana. He hit it right when I was going to pop it. Just a little. Okay.
I don't think he's that little. That's a decent fish. Oh, you're getting brave with those hooks.
Barely had him.
Ooh, yeah, that's a nice fish. Yeah. I knew there'd be one.
That's just weird. I guess sometimes you got to throw what, 2 or 3 times?
Oh, I saw him underneath it. It's a good one too.
You did that?
No. Not that good. Well, good enough.
Good.
Okay, don't hook me.
You saw him come up and get it?
Yeah. I saw him, you know, coming. That's another solid 1.5 pounds.
See, it was worth it.
Yep. Well, Zane, I thought I saw a flash behind it. You know, I just saw a little disturbance, like he come up.
Ooh, see that?
Ooh, yeah, they're chasing bait there. So there's a fish right there somewhere. We have caught him around the corner before. Yeah, if I wouldn't have been paying attention, I wouldn't have caught him.
Graph doesn't show Jack, Dana.
Shouldn't matter. But I'm afraid we're gonna have to go out and sit on that deep brush.
Probably. I just don't see the bait. You get bit?
Yep, I did. Not a bad fish either.
Yeah.
He was just swimming along with it. Whoa. Fumble fingers. Sorry, fish. Yeah, that's a pretty good fish. Nice spot. Acts like a good fish. Yeah, 1.5 pounds.
His eyeball.
Yeah, he's blind in one eye. You see that bait up in there? Oh! You get him? He came out of the water. He hit it on the way back down.
It's little, but I don't care. Boy! It's a monster.
Now those are the ones that'll hook you right there. Now you got him. He hit it on the way down. Just a little guy, but little guys grow up to be big guys.
Oh, get it in
Zane,
there.
I hate these freaking boat weights. Oh, got him. Largemouth too.
Yes, it is.
Look how yellow that fish is.
We don't care. See, Dana, I think you can still top water.
Largemouth. I don't think that was the same fish. Look at all that bait out there on that point. Oh,
Are you kidding me? Boy, they won't hit the swimming.
this is a better fish here.
They will not hit the swimmy, Dana.
Ooh, it's a good spot. Good spot.
Oh no. Are you kidding me?
Nice spot on the top water. Oh, I saw him come up and hit it.
Right over that rock, Dana. That's a decent fish.
Yep, not a bad one at all. Yeah, nice little chubby one. He was right on that ledge. I saw him hit you. I just happened to be looking. Saw him come up right underneath it and open his mouth. Well, that was fish chasing that bait. Boy, there's a lot of bait.
Yeah, there is some bait.
Another deep wormfish. I didn't have my camera on, of course. Hey, thanks for tuning in. We did pretty good today. All our fish came on top waters, a few wormfish, but it got really busy and we had to get off the water because it's hot. Thanks for tuning in. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Come back and fish with us next time.